Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today I'm in my kitchen, so I'm going to do a kitchen refresh. I've not styled the kitchen for a while now. It has been the same. But before I get started, I want to wish everyone a happy Memorial Day. Probably by the time I upload this video, it's gonna be the Memorial Day will be over. But today, as I'm filming today, is the Memorial Day weekend, and happy Memorial Day to everybody. And thank you for watching. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm done with the cleaning, and we are going to start with the clean canvas. So I'm not gonna change nothing on the shelf. I like it the way it is right now. I'm just gonna focus on the countertop. So I'm going to start with my coffee station. I bring in my coffee maker machine and a wood riser. This is pretty large to host all my coffee stuff. And here is my instant coffee, my sugar. I love these glass jars, very pretty. And my tea, because at night I like to drink some tea before I go to bed. And my syrup and two coffee mugs. And yeah, I really like that style, so I decided to change it a little bit. That's the beauty of styling, you can twist it. And I bring in this lavender full plant to next to the side. And to finish this side, I added a kitchen tea towel, and I forgot to add my spoons there, and I'll add that later. And here on this side, I'll add two cutting boards and two books that I thrifted. One of them is actually $1. So these cooking books are gorgeous. And guys, you have to mix high and low when it comes to decoration. And I add my barrel holder. And to finish it up, I bring in this tray with some fruit in it. On this side, I have this gorgeous beveled tray from Walmart. And I'll add this planter to host my spoons. And I also add my avocado oil. I love olive oil, but also love avocado oil. And I'll add this little plates. And in this corner, we'll add this brass canvas and these clear glass containers are gorgeous. I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I decided to display my rice in them because in this house we eat rice every day, so why not display what I love. And I just placed this tray to hold my dish soap and the brush. And you guys should remember these wood risers from my last video, shop with me at Home Goods. I had to pick them up, and I couldn't wait to decorate these. They are gorgeous. And I'm gonna pair them with these coffee table books. They're very nice. I like the color on it. And I put this to the side. I just want to keep this side simple. A kitchen towel, and that's it. Boom. And to finish up my oven, I'll add this canvas. Of course, this is for decoration purposes. And when I'm not decorating, I'll take that. When I'm not when I'm cooking, I have to remove that. That's what I meant. I'm sorry. And to the island, I bring in that large woven tree. It's gorgeous from Home Good. And this base is from Poriba, a candle to finish this up. And I decided to add a little decor to my breakfast nook today with my vintage base. Of course, beautiful.